Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to tell you the top reasons why Nokia 8 is a better smartphone compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco. So let's start it. Very first reason is the design and the build quality. Nokia 8 Sirocco comes with glass back panel and Nokia 8 comes with full metal body. So if you're one of those guys who do not like the glass back panel, then Nokia 8 is a better smartphone for you compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco. Also, Nokia 8 Sirocco comes with front fingerprint scanner, and there are many people who do not like the fingerprint scanner on the back. So if you're one of those guys who prefer front fingerprint scanner, then you must go with Nokia 8 instead of Nokia 8 Sirocco. Another good thing about the design of Nokia 8 is that it comes with off-screen navigation keys instead of on-screen navigation keys of Nokia 8 Sirocco. And because of this, the real estate you will get on the screen of Nokia 8 is more compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco, even though Nokia 8 Sirocco comes with slight bigger screen than the Nokia 8. Reason number 2 is the camera. The overall camera performance of Nokia 8 Sirocco is better compared to Nokia 8, that's the fact. But if you're one of those guys who are looking for monochrome photography on your Android smartphone, then you must go with Nokia 8 compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco, because it also comes with dual rear camera setup, but instead of monochrome lens there is a telephoto lens provided. So if you're looking for a smartphone with monochrome lens, then you must go with Nokia 8 instead of Nokia 8 Sirocco. Another reason why Nokia 8 is better smartphone compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco is the memory card slot. Nokia 8 comes with a memory card slot that supports up to 400 GB of memory card, while this feature is not available on Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphone. So if you're looking for a smartphone with expandable memory card slot, then you must go with Nokia 8 instead of Nokia 8 Sirocco. And the last reason why Nokia 8 is better smartphone compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco is the price. Both of these devices, they got exact same hardware, same Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Adreno GPU, and even the Android version is exactly same. So the performance is very much identical and same on both of these smartphones, but the price difference is huge. Compared to Nokia 8, Nokia 8 Sirocco cost 50% more. If you are not looking for a premium smartphone with additional features and you are more concerned about the performance and value for money deal, then you must go with Nokia 8 instead of Nokia 8 Sirocco, as the price of Nokia 8 is very less compared to Nokia 8 Sirocco. So these are the reasons why Nokia 8 is a better smartphone. First of all, the price, the memory card slot, the monochrome lens available, the design, the full metal body front fingerprint scanner, and the off-screen navigation keys. And one of the most important feature is the 3.5mm audio jack that's available on Nokia 8 but not on Nokia 8 Sirocco. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.